Okay, sige. So, discuss natin tong problem, past board problem in MSTA under algebra na lumabas noong November 2019. So, madalas yung, alam ko lumalabas yung ganito, nagbibigay ng formula ng mga hint, tapos, interpret mo na lang paano yung hinihingi doon. Ayan, like this. The relationship between concrete strengths or specified compressive strength ng concrete, di ba, sa RCD, F prime of C, 14 days. Ibig sabihin kasi niyan, yung function, di ba? Di ba, recall, a function of x is equal to something na in-express mo lahat in terms of x. Lahat ng variables na makikita sa right side is naka in terms of x. So, hindi dito, yung function is simply naka-express in terms of time. So, dapat time yung makikita mong mga variable, di ba? So, ganun lang. Okay, is given by the following again. F prime of C of 14, F prime of C na 28 days. Diba? 7 days, 7, 14, 28, yung mga pinapatest natin. Okay, 40 is the age of concrete in weeks. Naka-weeks pala to. Okay, so dapat, ano to? Pag 7 days, T1, T equals 1. Ganyan. Pag 14 days, T equals 2. Every, di ba? Naka-weeks tayo eh. And then, pag 28 days, T equals 4. Diba? 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 4, 28. So, yun. The concrete strength at the end of 14 days daw is 24.1 megapascals. So, determine the concrete strength at the end of 28 days according to the DPWH design guidelines. So, di ko na isusulat yan. Basta ito yung given na expression natin. No? Ang sinabi, yung concrete strength at the end of 14 days. Ito yun, F prime of C of 14. So, sabi, eto 14, yan yung isa-substitute mo. Pero dapat naka in terms of weeks ka, di ba? Yun lang naman yung critical dito eh. F prime of CI, lagay natin. That is 24.1 megapascals. And then yung time T mo, papalitan mo yan na, kung 14 ang hinahanap, again, pag 14, 2 to. Dos. Dos din to. Ganun lang. Dos. Dos. So, ito yung sinasolve natin at prime of C na 28. So, pwede mo naman gamitan na mismo to, tapos i-divide mo na lang yung overall na yan. Now, let's do it. 24.1 divided by, ito, T. Lagay ko na lang sa X para isang substitute na lang mamaya. 1.203 plus 0.7T. Lagay ko na lang sa X. Calc ko na lang mamaya. Minus 0.000195 times x squared or times t squared. Yun na yun. F prime C 28 na yan. Calc na lang natin. Yung x is, take note to. In weeks, silig ng ganyan eh. Meron pa yung naalala ko isang problem, yung evaporation naman. Ayan, sige, sunod natin yan. Pag 14 days, t equals 2. So, ayun. 31.356. 31.4 megapascals. Ganun lang. That's it for this problem. Hope you learned something. Thank you.